Simple guide for double spacing in Microsoft Word. Click the Design tab. Click Paragraph Spacing. A menu of spacing options will expand. Click Double. The entire document is now double-spaced. Change using the Home tab. In the Home tab, look for the Paragraph section. Click the Line Spacing button to open the Line Spacing drop-down menu. The button has 4 small lines with an arrow pointing both up and down. From this menu, you can select common line spacing options. The entire document is now double-spaced. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.